I want to challenge you to find a sanitizer and disinfectant and even other cleaners for less than $1 per quart. If you're purchasing pre-mixed sanitizer or disinfectant or using wipes, consider if you're buying that from Sam's or Walmart or a big box store or even a grocery store, you might be paying $1.50, $2, or even $3.50 or more per quart. These concentrated chemicals can get those costs down to under 50 cents a quart sometimes. So if you have a local distributor in your area, I recommend calling them and have them do the homework. Have them break down the cost of their chemicals down to the quart so you can measure that cost apple to apples with other types of products. And then also really pay attention to wait times. For sanitizer, our current wait time is only 1 minute and 3 minutes on disinfectant. So when you're talking about waiting to wipe down tables or waiting between changing diapers, those wait times, as you know, are really critical. So you can find the right chemical, the right price, the right wait time is critical in our industry. So Matt Lopez was at a recent presentation and talked to some of our directors in Mesa County about different options that he has through Western Paper that has been a great lifesaver for us when it comes to our disinfectants, our sanitizers, and other all-purpose cleaners.
Hopefully you can take some tidbits from today and we can help you out. Like I said, we work with Kirk for many years in both his centers, and what he wanted me to show you guys is a system that we call our Clean on the Go system, which you do have a brochure of. And what this is a chemical dispenser that we put up that is going to monitor. You put the 2-liter concentrates in there, and we put measuring tips in, which we do. We mount it for you. We label it for you. You have a quart size that you can get, and then you have a gallon that you can do mop bucket or any other buckets that you may fill for around your facility. So what we do is I can go location by location, but some of my big users here is an HDQ, and there's some more information in there. This is a disinfectant that we use, and we're going 2 ounces per gallon for these. So once you break this down, out of one of these 2 liters, you get 133 quarts of product that you're using. So your breakdown on that, looking cost-wise, you're looking at 49 cents a quart for an all-around disinfectant. Okay, the same quart you're gonna go buy dollar store, wherever you may go. Okay, we have these fancy little labels that you put on there that the health department likes that are gonna match up. You see the number 2 there, the number 2 there. They say, hey, what are you using the number 2 for? I'm using it to disinfect this, bathrooms, etc., whatever it may be. Okay. Sanitizer, same type of deal to sanitize any areas, food surface areas, any changing tables, anything like that go into the system. And our peroxy cleaner, which is a little more grit cleaner, more all around that you can use to clean glass, to clean floors, cleans carpet, walls, anything like that. So yeah, and we can go over some of those costs of sanity. You're looking at 48 cents a quart on that. Your peroxy is a little more rounded, and you're looking at 71 cents a quart. And then obviously if you're gonna use it for floors, your cost is gonna go up a little bit more on the buckets. But concentrate wise, and this dispensing locking system, you just lock it up, and that the only way they can dispense it is through this. Nobody's doing the chug-a-lug deal, and cost per unit, it's a no-brainer that me and Kirk have worked for years to dial in, and we finally got an opportunity to show you guys something like this.
If you're not in my local market, search them or find a local distributor in your home state or home area and let them do the homework for you. Let them come and break down those chemical prices for you and give it a shot. Consider doing a metered chemical and the thousands of dollars it could save you every year.
To you guys right now, Spartan Chemical is running a promotion, so the chemical dispenser is free. If you were to look at this online, you're probably looking at $400 to $500 for this dispenser.
Let's say that you have a chemical, let's say you use a quart of sanitizer, 1 quart per classroom per week. If you're purchasing that at $2.50, that 1 quart for 52 weeks, if you can now purchase that same quart at 50 cents a quart, you're going to save $2 a week. That's going to be $100 a year. If you have 5 classrooms, that's $500 a year. If you have multiple centers like myself, that's $1,000 worth of savings a year just on 1 chemical. So I just encourage you to consider concentrated chemicals and the thousands of dollars you could save annually. If you found the content of this video resourceful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future content. Thanks for watching.